Save time this holiday season with ShortStack's holiday templates, including the giveaway calendar, recipe contest, scratch and win, discount reveal, pick your prize, and win your wish list. ShortStack's giveaway calendar is a holiday favorite among marketers year after year. Encourage repeat visits to boost brand awareness and customer engagement by offering a daily giveaway over a specified date range. Customize everything within your calendar giveaway, from the dates of your daily giveaways, to the look of each locked day, to content within each giveaway, and what visitors will see when the day's giveaway has passed. Our recipe contest template can help you gain real engagement by tapping into your audience's family traditions. This template's entry form allows you to collect images, text, and even videos for a complete recipe entry. You'll have the option to enable voting, or to leave voting off to display the entries in a simple gallery. The Scratch and Win template is a unique spin on an instant win giveaway in which participants can scratch off an image to reveal if they're a winner. Due to its instant nature, this template helps you to attract loads of participation, which you can use to beef up your holiday email list. Customize the Scratch and Win giveaway to allow participants to enter once per day to better boost your brand awareness. Just in time for Black Friday, grow your customer base with the Discount Reveal template. The functionality of this template does double duty by not only helping you capture leads, but by also distributing a coupon code to help you drive sales. The Pick Your Prize template is great for running a unique giveaway that allows you to collect valuable product preference info from your participants. Participants get to enter to win the prize of their choosing. Use the collected leads segmented by prize preference to further target your marketing and increase conversions. Like the Pick Your Prize template, the Win Your Wishlist template helps you collect valuable product preference info by allowing participants to build a wish list of prizes they'd like to win. The wish list is recorded with each entry, allowing you to further customize your marketing and connect with a highly qualified list of leads. Just like all of ShortStack's templates, these holiday templates are 100% customizable and can be paired with email marketing to take your giveaways to a whole new level.